So for many months here at Disney World, we have been watching Disney as they've been slowly constructing the new Disney Skyliner system, the gondola system that will be accessing 4 different Disney World resorts and 2 of their major 4 theme parks. Now, if you're unfamiliar about what the Skyliner is actually going to do as far as providing transportation, kind of give you an idea of what the map is showing here is a good example, a good way of representing exactly what we're going to be looking at when this opens up later this year. Right now, we are actually standing at the area in between Pop Century and Art of Animation. This is the station here. There will be additional stations here at Caribbean Beach Resort and Disney's Riviera Resort, which will not be actually opened as a resort until at the very end of 2019. So those are the 4 resorts that will be serviced by the Skyliner. And the jump off stations off at the Caribbean, you will be able to jump over to Hollywood Studios, which we've been able to see them testing those gondolas since May. And over jumping from Disney's Riviera, there will be a turnaround right here at the boardwalk, taking you all the way back into the International Gateway at Epcot. So, as I mentioned, 4 resorts, 2 theme parks. We have been watching the stations being built. We've seen the gondolas come up, being tested at Hollywood Studios. And earlier this year, we were given the information from Disney that we will be seeing this system come live and operational come fall. The date's always been, well, when is it going to be? And everyone just has to keep watching and waiting as more construction walls come down around the stations, like a few walls coming down around Pop Century and Art of Animation, over at the International Gateway at Epcot, and more testing of the gondolas as they go across the roads and to and from the parks. Today, Disney finally helped us out, relieving a little bit of the stress by letting us know the official start date will be Sunday, September 29th. So it is only going to be just over 2 months before we are going to be able to see not only the Skyliner operating, we're going to be able to get on these things for the first time. Now, a few months ago when the gondolas first started showing up on the lines, they were all covered in tarps and we could not see exactly what was on them. Since then, they have taken them off, and it's been great for us to be able to watch and see all the different designs on the gondolas, from classic Disney movies to some of the more recent movies and even television shows. And it's kind of fun to sit there and stand and watch as they go by and testing to see if your favorite characters do pop up. One of the more common questions that's being asked by guests anticipating the operation of the new Skyliner system is, are these going to be air conditioned? And the answer to that is no. There is not going to be air conditioning on each of these individual units. In fact, the way this is going to be taken care of officially by Disney's responses, each of the gondolas has a reflective tint on it. Thus the characters are on there. You will be able to see out, people won't be able to see in, and neither will Mr. Sunshine, hopefully keeping the temperatures down inside. Also at the top of each of the gondolas is a cross ventilation hatch. These small little windows will be open, allowing airflow in, so as it moves around, the air will be able to come in and out, keeping you cool on the inside as well. So the wait is almost over. After months and months of construction, the Disney Skyliner is finally reaching its time of completion. Disney officially announced it will be operational September 29th. So the cool thing is, come September 29th, one of the biggest new attractions here at Walt Disney World won't even be in any of the parks. Thanks everyone for watching our videos here on the Ear to Ear Magic YouTube channel. I'd like to keep you guys up to speed on everything we see here and do here at Walt Disney World. That's what we love, that's what we enjoy doing. Please, if you know of anybody who's coming to Walt Disney World here in the next few months, let them know, share the video, and give them an idea of what they can expect when they get here in the last part of 2019 and being able to ride Disney Skyliner. Thanks again so much for being a subscriber to our YouTube channel. If you're not, please hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification so you know when the new videos are coming out, and we will see you guys in the parks.